Hello, everybody. It is your girl, Chef Quest, and today we are celebrating Chocolate Cupcake Day in a big way. So the team has gone out and they've gotten 5 different chocolate cupcakes from 5 different places, and I'm going to do a blind taste test of them all. I'm a little bit nervous. I don't know why, but I'm thinking if there's ever a good way to celebrate Chocolate Cupcake Day, this is the way to do it. So we are going to see if we can find the store-bought, generic grocery store-bought cupcake versus all the other ones. I'm pretty sure there's going to be a huge difference in taste. So this is going to be a blind taste test. I have a palette cleanser here, I have my tasting spoons, and my blindfold. So wish me the best. And to make this fair, we're going to remove the accoutrements, so the stuff that makes it extra tall. So in this case, this Ferrero, we'll put that in the middle. And in this case, this little chocolate placard, because then it'll be just too easy for me to guess where it's from. All right. I don't know why I'm nervous, like I said, but let me just make sure I cannot see anything. I'm going to give this a twirl. Let's see. So I don't know where we're starting. And I have my spoon. And let's see. Okay. So I have a funny feeling I'm going to make a big mess. There are probably going to be a lot of outtakes. Did I get it? Oh my gosh, where is this thing? Ooh. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. What I like about this one? Ooh, palette cleanser. I love that this cupcake, the cake itself is very moist. There's not a lot of icing. I'm not the kind of person that loves a lot of icing on my cupcakes. And I feel like it's a good, rich balance between the icing and the cake batter. I also love the little pearls on top. It adds a nice little crunch. So, starting off strong. All right. Okay, let's see. I hope it's on this. Nope, I felt it fall. Where did it go? This is gonna be amazing. Nope, it fell. Oh my god. Oh, did it fall to the back? Oh gosh, let me take another spoonful. This is gonna be so messy. Mm-hmm. Very interesting, because this one also has a moist cake base. But the chocolate cake itself tastes different than the first one. This one is a little bit more light and airy, very subtle chocolate flavor, whereas the first one was a lot richer. I don't know if I got a lot of icing on that bite. Let me just, it's like it fell behind. Is that it? I can't say I necessarily like that icing. It tastes very buttery, and to me, not in a pleasant way. All right. It's okay to lick our fingers, right? It's only me. Okay, so that one. Okay. Just give me another spoon. Oh boy. I can immediately feel that this one is a lot bigger. It feels a lot bigger. I just want to make sure that I don't drop it this time. It almost tastes like nothing. I can't. The cake portion itself is actually a bit dry, which I don't like. Maybe some people like their cupcakes to be a little on the crispier side. Almost reminds me of the crispiness that you might expect in a muffin. This one has a lot more icing compared to the other ones I tasted, those are the ones I've tried to taste. But it's not very flavorful, which is surprising. So you would expect that if you're getting a chocolate cupcake, it's nice and rich and flavorful and just a good experience. Like this one, I feel like had a lot more to bring to the table. All right, let me clean my hands and have a palette cleanser. Okay, I'm sure I've chocolate on my face. It's okay. It's a chocolate cupcake day. Okay, new spoon. Now we're moving on. Okay. immediately I can tell that this cupcake feels a lot smaller than the other ones. Oh, I feel like I've got such a big piece here. Oh boy. I definitely bit off more than I can chew. Cupcake is a lot smaller. The cake base, if I were to guess so far, this one I just had was probably a store-bought one. The one from the grocery store. I don't like how much icing there is on this thing. Like I said before, I'm not the sort of person that really loves a lot of icing on my cupcakes. I find it unpleasing, and it's this particular cupcake is kind of sweet. Like, think back to your childhood when you used to have like birthday cakes, like that kind of cake sweet icing. Too much icing on there. The cake portion itself, not something to write home about. Okay, so I have one here. That's gonna be. Oh, is this our last one? Okay, let's see. Oh my gosh, I think I just took the whole cupcake with me. Oh gosh. No, and I dropped it. Come on. Cool. The cake portion of this gets very overpowered by the icing. I find this, excuse me, I'm choking on the icing. Too much icing for me. This icing also has a very buttery flavor, and whatever little sprinkles were on top of this, I don't know if they're sprinkles or what they are, they're so hard that I felt like I was eating teeth. So not a great experience for me. The flavor of the cupcake itself is, I'm just left with a buttery aftertaste, which I don't love. Woo! Okay, need to cleanse palate. Yeah, I'm not sure I love that one. I'm not sure. Yeah. Hey! Excuse me while I just clean my hands here. I would say, hands down, our winner, our chocolate cupcake queen for today is this one from Dufflet, which is a local bake shop here in Toronto. And I think they have several locations. I went to the one close to downtown. Yes, I really enjoyed this, and I can see myself wanting to go back to this one several times. Look, I mean, look. I'm doing a great ratio of icing to cake, and just an overall good experience. I'm full. Wow, that was a lot. So you'll have to tell me, how are you going to live it up today and celebrate Chocolate Cupcake Day? Are you going to try several different cupcakes? If you do, definitely tag us and let us know how it all goes. We really, really want to know what your experience is like. Or if you have your own chocolate cupcake recipe that you've mastered, let us know, because we want to know more about it. Are you the sort of person that likes a 1-to-1 icing to cake ratio? Do you like it really thin, like this one from Dufflet? Do you add sprinkles? How do you do your thing? Let us know. We'd love to hear about it. And I'm just curious, since we're all here because we love chocolate, right? Right. Let me know what your best chocolate cupcake experience is. I would love to know which ones you have really enjoyed over the years. Well, anyhow, hope you enjoyed that, and hope you enjoyed trying these cupcakes with me. I saved you a piece. Don't worry, you can have it after. There are 2 pieces here. And anyhow, looking forward to seeing you soon. Let us know in the comments which one is your favorite. And that's it. Well, have such a great day. Bye.